Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy TJFX reacting to other Forex YouTubers. I just want to see some of the videos, give my opinion on some of the content that they make. Your boy's picking his first victim. Now, I'm joking. All jokes aside, we're not going to trash talk these people, but the first victim is Mamba FX. Now, we're going to obviously use Mamba FX because this video was uploaded 2 months ago, okay? My man is saying that he's made $250,000, which is respect to that guy if he did make $250,000. You know, we want to see the MyFX books, or we want to see that live account withdrawal of $250,000. Otherwise, we're just going to say that it's a demo account. And also, he says he reveals an insane strategy, which is going to be interesting because this video is 10 minutes long. And for an insane strategy, minus the intro and all the other BS talk, potentially that could be in this video, it's going to be impressive to watch an insane strategy that can make over $250,000 in a day trading. Without further ado, let's get into the video, brother.
I'm on record on this. Beat my wife's cheeks.
Okay.
Right,
Here he is, Mamba FX. Let's go, baby.
You see, I made 250K in one day.
1080p.
How you can do the same thing.
Full screen it.
Right now, you can do the same
Here we go.
Possible, but it's gonna take time. Like you're not gonna just make.
Yo, it does take time. 100%. 100%. This shit takes time.
But
Facts.
you can get there because you gotta remember something. When it comes to trading Forex, it's the most scalable business possible.
Amen.
You choose how much you make.
Amen.
You can easily scale a $100 account to $1 million. It's not gonna happen.
That's, my friend, $100 to $1 million. He would not have even done that. So for anyone that thinks they can turn $100 into $1 million, you need to obviously watch other people, because that is not possible
overnight. So don't just take this and clip it and post it everywhere. This guy's fucking crazy. No, I'm not saying it's gonna happen overnight.
No. There it is.
Slowly compound to 10K, then to 20, then to 100K.
Slowly compound to 10, 20K, to 100K.
To $1 million. It's very possible.
Yo, I love the positivity that he gives us. I love it. I'm believing in it already. Yo, you gotta be a good trader to be able to do that.
It's very possible. All you really need is some guidance, some help, right? So
Amen.
I got something special for you guys. A lot of you guys already know this, but I have a new app. It's called it's not even new anymore, but it's called the Clarity Forex app.
Yo, if you guys haven't heard of this app, obviously, I haven't got it myself, but as we're using Mamba's video as our first video, go and download the app, check out Mamba's content, obviously subscribe to him. Download the app, it's free.
So the App Store, it's on the Play Store, and it's 100%
Go support
free.
him as well, obviously.
Free content, free courses, free strategies.
Free courses?
All these trades that I'm taking and I'm showing you guys on YouTube, I'm there posting it every single day or every other day. So if you guys are missing me on
He's
YouTube,
better than me with content. If it's every other day, he's better than me.
Posting all the time, so get on there. I'll leave a link down in the description. You guys can sign up. This motherfucker came in.
Okay, so 1:30 in it right now.
Get a tool?
No strategy yet. No strategy yet. No live trades.
Today I am in
Fuck! God's sake. I will use my YouTube account on the next reacts, I promise you.
That's 1 of 5 kids, so
Make sure to put in the comments down below who else you want me to do.
Like I said, the Clarity Forex app, it's free. You got all this free content on there.
Okay.
You guys are going to actually see all the trades that I take broken
down. 1:45 in, we're still going on about the app. Let's go. 2 minutes of advertisement.
Clarity Forex app. I'll say it one more time for you guys that want to pay attention. It's free. So go download it. Enjoy the content.
It's free!
Learn from it. You guys can become great traders as well.
Oh, if only he got it.
You guys click the video.
Damn.
Is because you want to see the actual breakdown on how I was able to make $250,000 in one day, right? One NASDAQ trade make me $220,000 just in one day. I mean,
$220,000 in one day? In an hour and a half?
But you guys want to see that. So
I want to see that.
For you guys today, show you guys exactly how I did it, trading strategy I used, and all that good stuff. So
let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Relax and just do me one favor. 2 favors.
2 favors.
Like the video. You gotta like the video. If you don't like the video, then you'll never be a good trader. You gotta like the video. That's for good luck. Second thing is subscribe if you're not subscribed already. The third thing is follow me on Instagram.
2:30 in, by the way.
Trading,
still advertisement.
Content, all that good shit. And then the 5th thing is you're gonna actually get the Clarity Forex app because it's gonna help you out a lot. Okay.
Okay.
With that being said,
I'm listening, bro. Tell me about it. Oosh, let's go.
Before we get into the actual breakdown,
here we go.
Trade, how much I made, the history tab on.
This should be the $250,000 trade that apparently it took him an hour and a half to get. Let's go. 3 minutes in. This should be the strategy.
As you can see, $269,000 made on the day.
I see it.
But
History.
$220,000 made on the actual
what?
NASDAQ markets themselves.
Shut up. That's it.
The beef and like
There was no
there was
no proof there.
Pretty much the same strategy, so I don't have to break down every single trade, but this was how I made 250K in one round. Here is the trade,
Let's
how much
rewatch
I
it.
made, the history tab, all that good stuff. As you can see, 269,000. Two favors.
Bro, what the fuck?
$1,000 made.
Hold on, guys, one second, because I'm watching this the first time as well. NAS 100, okay.
As you can see, $269,000 made on the day, but only I think $220,000 made.
Yo, that's quite nice. Yo, shout out to Mamba hitting that. I mean, yo, I'm a little bit skeptical because I see no setting page to show us a live account, but respect anyway for hitting the trades.
So I don't have to break down every single trade, but this was how I made 250K in one single day.
Okay, let's go, baby. I want to see the strategy. I want to see the strategy, brother. Here we go.
I do want to actually show you guys the Clarity Forex app to show you
guys, 3 minutes 30 seconds into it, we are still looking at a Clarity app.
100 pip move on gold, beautiful move. We broke even right before that, but then we actually re-entered at a lower rate. Nice, 100 pips. Okay, but let's really look at.
Okay, right, we're looking at the trades, by the way. Respect 35 pip loss on this trade. Respect the 100 pips. Doesn't tell you. Is that 100 pips combined as a free take profits or not? It doesn't tell you that, but still, break even. I've never used this app, so if you've used this app, let me know in the comments down below what it's like.
The big trade, right?
But yo, respect anyway. I don't trade NAS, so I can't really say a lot, but I want to see the strategy. If my guy's catching 3,000 pips, let's go, baby.
More pips than I did money because I got out early, but it kept going. Like it wasn't gonna stop. Almost made 3,000 pips on this one move.
So if he got out early, but he's then saying that made more pips, as a trader, why would you get out a trade early and then let your group hold it? So I don't know if he actually held that trade for the group or if he's just putting out, yo, it hit everything, 3,000 plus pips, even though I didn't get that and no one else got that, we just put it there. I don't know. I'm just saying, if I got in a trade, I would update a group. If I got out a trade, I wouldn't let my peers still be in the trade because, you know, there's, unless I say I'm getting out, you guys staying, which he could have done, so let's not slate him there. As I said, you got to respect these traders as well. Everything you see isn't face value, so he might have even done that, you never know. 3,000 pips, still nice though.
A lot of money and learn at the same time, so you can actually see my trades live and see why I'm taking those trades with breakdowns and all this good stuff combined. Is going to make you a great trader faster.
Okay, fair enough.
Where you need to be so you can make 250K in one day. Like I said, it's not easy. This could take you 3, 4, 5, even 10 years to get
3, 4, 5, 10 years. Fair enough.
You can get there a lot faster.
I was gonna say it's 250 bags in one day is a lot.
I can actually show you guys real quick that gold trade from last night.
Let's show it.
Very nice trade. As you can see, it was a 100 pip move. Very nice. Very nice. It's a 1-to-4 ratio. We only send, you know, good ratios, as you can see.
I'm waiting for the strategy though, bro. 4 minutes.
We have a what did you say? 1, 2, 4 is only good ratios.
He's just showing previous trades.
That's pretty much it. That's all you're gonna see is those really good ratios. Anyways, a lot of breakouts. I mean, I really do this. But let's go ahead and break down the trade. Let's break down why I took this trade, what I saw.
Come on then, bro. Show me.
Okay? It's very simple. It's a very simple setup that I take every single time, and I will take it continuously every single time. If you look at our 5-minute chart, right, and it's always better to start on a higher time frame, so we'll actually do that real quick just to show you what I saw. But we're looking at the daily. Where are we on the daily? We have a nice rejection, right, a big rejection candle on the daily. In what zone? Well, I like to call this a little bit of a clutter zone. This is a zone where price is actually having, you know, resistance. Actually, you know, this is supply. We have supply here, okay? Right here.
Okay.
Supply. So this is actually more of a supply zone.
He said resistance.
A little bit of a demand zone / support, resistance. Different ways to look at it.
Bro, yo, he just said support and resistance for the same fucking setup.
34 app, but
okay.
Look at this. Look at the perfect zone.
Not hating, I'm just saying.
We go down
that made no sense.
And we look for more confluence. Well, guess what, guys? Look what we have. We have support. This is a support zone. We created support here. It's pretty simple, guys. Price has created support. When price creates...
He's 100% doing this at the top of his head. He hasn't gone back to back test his actual setup. So right now he's just getting confused because he's using a higher time frame. He's trying to freestyle this, which is fair play to him. I freestyled all of my content, but he's confusing himself why he even went for the setup, because obviously right now that 4H even though it's spiked down, he's just saying his support is support, but that could easily break through. I don't really see some sort of strategy right now, but we'll move forward. Let's see what happens.
More confluences, you're not just looking for support by itself. So now that we've seen the H4, we've seen the daily, we know that we think we're looking for buys now, and we have confidence to look for buys on a smaller time frame. All I did was go down to my 5-minute chart, and guess what I found? I talk about this every single day in the Clarity Forex app. It's a breakout pattern. And for me, I don't like to trade the breakouts necessarily, but the pre-breakouts. I like to get in there before it breaks out when I know it's going to break out, so I can get as much pips as possible.
Fair play. Tries to look for sniper entries.
I would have taken the actual breakout,
which means you can have smaller stop loss.
Buy until right here, right? And that's the difference of a lot, right? If I would have taken a buy right here on this breakout candle, I would have missed potentially 1,200 pips. Imagine missing 1,200 pips because you didn't pre-breakout trade. Okay, it's a big deal. So with that,
believe the pips is different on US anyway. US 100.
Right? Breakout pattern is very
so it's not like 100% if you're using 20 pip SLs for 1,000 pips. So
we're looking for price to break out of this trend. Okay, overall price is coming down, but we're at that support, as I said on the H4 the daily, so we can kind of predict that price is going to break out of this trend. It's pretty simple. Now, if you're looking at it the other way and you want to find
descending channel,
like I said, you draw it from the bottom on an uptrend, and then boom, you have that breakout. This is a more accurate trade because overall price is trending.
This is noise. That's noise.
You have a pause. You have it coming up now, and then breaking out to the downside.
That's not. So what I would say here, guys, is that you wouldn't trade this because this is noise. As you can see, it's just going up, down, up, down. However, when he has on the right hand side this horizontal line going down, which is basically trying to say that it's a trend descending. If you actually look from when it broke down here to down here, it actually come up, took out previous highs where people might have entered sells, wicked out, and then sold off.
And then you just have a pause. You have it coming up now, and then breaking out to the downside. Okay, it's pretty simple. Pre-breakout trade right here. We see that we are also at a support, right? We have support on the 5-minute.
He said support about 50 times. So 7 minutes in right now, and I've learned. I haven't learned a lot. I don't know what I'm really doing right now.
Let me see. 1 to 3.6 trade. Excuse me. So you know, I risked a certain amount that I was okay with, I was comfortable with, to make a really large amount. Okay, and that's kind of the way you want to play the game. With that being said, we have support, we have pre-breakout, but don't forget, H4 and daily is also telling us we're going up. All these different things telling us we're going up is what you want to see, and that's how you can make your strategy perfect, is to have confluence, okay? You want to have confluence. You want to have different things telling you the same thing. Different time frames telling you
different confirmations. Okay? You want multiple confirmations to give your better influence into your decision of the market. It's a better way to say it.
Pattern. We have a lot of things telling us, hey, we're going to buy. So I took my buy and I waited it out. Okay, right here, it took another entry on an actual breakout because now you know, hey, we're really breaking out. Okay, and,
broken out of a descending channel.
But with that being
remember,
said,
this is 5 minutes, by the way, guys.
Previous high on this actual trend line that I've drawn. Previous high is right there. Guess
well, it should retest back.
Actually, tried to keep holding this to this high. Like, do you want to see what would have happened?
You wouldn't hold it though, and the reason why you wouldn't hold this yet is because this is easily going to reject. All it is a breaking and retesting of the previous high which we took out, which he was saying, you know, you can get in sales here, but we're going to take out before going back down again, technically speaking. So, you know, was never going to bullish engulf all the way up to previous, you know, 14,600 or 14,600. It was always going to reject down, which is what I just said before even looking at this.
He has better take profit zones than me. To the T. Almost every single time it comes to the T, hit take profit, and then goes back the other way. Because I know what I'm doing, and I know that this is actually supply. And when price comes to the supply zone, we may actually see price. It's
just a break and retest. I want to see what happens here, if it's going to sell off again, if he even shows you.
A lot of people, they will try to hold for too long, and they'll get stopped out.
Because this is a bearish market, and pretty much he's just buying a buy, and it's going to supply and demand area, where it's going to pull back.
On the Clarity Forex app, this is life. This is what I do. If you guys want to get in on here, get the free content, get the free courses, get the strategy breakdowns, all that free stuff, download the Clarity Forex app. It's down in the description. If you want the signals, it's an option. It's on there. Get the signals if that's what you want. But you don't got to get the signals. That's completely up to you. Will it help you grow fast? Yes, but you don't have to do it. I give you guys free options because I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to really benefit the community and help you guys out 100% for free.
Okay.
With that being said, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys coming back for another video. I know it's been a long time since I've created a video, but I'm trying to come back. I'm posting on Clarity Forex every day. If you really want to see me, you want to see my content, it's on there almost every day.
Make sure to go check him out. Link in description. I'll put his channel in there. Obviously, go support him. He is a trader. In the end of the day, this is just my view. on these videos, and I'm gonna do multiple people, and we're just gonna upload every other day.
There, you're just not in the right spot. Okay. With that being said, my filmer told me that I say "with that being said" way too much, but with that being said,
Is there anything
smash
else?
that like button if you enjoyed. You want to see more videos like this? I got you.
Okay, so obviously I didn't learn a strategy from that video. He said support and resistance a lot of the time. His buys come back to entry straight away as soon as it touch the top of the range from where it previously sold down to, touch that, and straight away impulsed off. So fair play to himself if he did close that trade out for profit. Otherwise, if you had SL entry, you would have got taken out for break even. But nevertheless, this could be a style that he trades. So it's still a nice trade. Not a lot of drawdown, straight into profit. Not really too sure what happened afterwards. Might be interesting to see if it continued to sell off, because it did look like more of a sells, but who knows. I didn't learn any strategy in that video at all. I saw $250,000. Let me just see let me see if he's got like my FX book or anything like that down below. No, nothing like that down below. So there's no real proof that he actually made $250,000 with just that trade as well, because there was multiple trades that he took. Obviously, he took a gold trade. He took NAS 100 as well, which was here. He took sells. He took buys using high lots as well. You got to remember, in terms of profit with pips, this is 20 pip close. This is 70 pip close, or 65 pip close, 65 pip close. If you ask me, double entry on this, slightly risky, because it could go the other way. So adding multiple positions on just one account and using 25 lots, especially on gold, is pretty big. But at the end of the day, it does say $270. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, if you learned anything from this video, and who else you want me to react to. Make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And until next time, I'll catch you boys in a bit. Peace!